How to put Doordash money on Cash App. I'm going to show you how you can easily put Doordash money on the Cash App. First, place your order on the Doordash website or mobile app as usual. When checking out, select Cash App as your payment method. Then, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Next, tap the Pay button to send money. Now enter the cash tag for your Doordash order. The cash tag will be provided on the order confirmation screen in Doordash after selecting Cash App as the payment method. It will begin with a $, followed by a unique series of letters and numbers. Next, enter the exact amount of your order total. Make sure the amount matches the total listed on your Doordash order confirmation to avoid any payment issues. Now tap Pay to complete the transaction. Your payment will be processed instantly. Once Doordash receives your payment, your order will be confirmed and prepared for delivery or pickup. You will receive an updated notification to the Doordash app or website with an estimated delivery or pickup time.